Hello and welcome back to Boopolo channel. My name is Pascal. If you like this video or any of our other videos, please subscribe. Today I am going to do a review of a tow hitch by Curt. It's a 2-inch bowl with a 4-inch drop. It's Curt, it's a high rating, it's a 7,500 pound towing capacity and 750 pound weight on top of it. I will bring it into the workshop. Earlier I unboxed it, I took it out of the package and I measured it and weighed it and done the thickness of the metal and the drop and the range so that you can work it out for your own. But before we do that, I am going to show you how you get the correct drop for your car versus your trailer or your truck. In this case it's a 2024 Wildtrak. I'm going to show you how to calculate it. All trailers are not always the same coupling height, but when you measure the coupling height of your trailer, the drawbar of your trailer should be level. So you should use a level bar or a spirit level your thing, and then measure from the bottom of your coupling down to the ground. And that's your coupling height. And most will be between 15 and 18 inches, somewhere around the bottom of the coupling. And the bottom of the coupling should be level to about here. It should be level. There should not be tow weight. As some people say, the tow weight will come in is when the weight goes into the trailer and the trailer. So if it's a twin wheel trailer, but most trailers will be tilted down even if they have twin axles. I'm going to take this out now and I'm going to show you how we calculate. So we just pull this one out and I will take out the bar. We measure, that's why I came out here in the countryside, so I have a level concrete road, and we measure from the ground to here, to there, the bottom of this one, and that's coming in a little bit under 19 and a half. So then we get our trailer coupling bottom size and we subtract it. So because this one is a 4-inch, this one is a 4-inch, so the trailer coupling exact size for this would be 15 and a half. So if the bottom of yours, after you level your trailer, it's 15 and a half and you're 19 and a half here, you want a 4-inch drop, and this is a 4-inch drop by Curt. So it's a 4-inch drop and it's for a 15 and a half inch coupling on a trailer. I have a 2-inch one as well, which is for 17 and a half inch for the bottom of the coupling of the trailer. So I can change if I borrow one trailer or I have somebody else's trailer. If I'm towing something, I will get it fairly right. And if you have it very right, then you are driving much safer and you are not going to jackknife or anything like that with it. So we always make sure we put the bar in properly. This one has a hole in it. Some of them have a spline, and I'll have it like that. Now some people will put a bit of silicone on it to stop it rattling, or a bit of tape around the thing. Or they will change this 5/8 inch bar to a locking one which won't move. The locking ones won't move. They make it so that this won't rattle, but this doesn't rattle. It's perfect fit for this. I recorded this earlier. When I bought this from Amazon, I says, oh, the pin is missing. And of course, it's actually written here, look, it says in 3 languages, it says 5/8 inch hitch pin and clip included inside. So then I looked in here and I can see it. So we will take this off here and we'll pull this off. And we will see that the pin. I'm going to weigh this and all that for you, okay? So this all comes off. The pin, of course, and the hitch pin and the clip is included in it. We are going to weigh this. This is heavy. Now, a little bit of sticky here behind, which you can clean that off with rubbing alcohol or something like that. So I will give you the measurements to the different, because some of them stick out further than others. So I'll give you the measurement from here to the center of the hole. So from the center of the hole to here is 2.5 inches, from the center of here out to here. And from here to the lying part here, from the center of the hole, this is approximate, is 3 1/4 inch, or 84 millimeter, 83 millimeters. So the ball itself here, as it says, it tells you the size on it. Make sure you have 2 inches written on it. And it also tells you here the rating on it, 7,500 pounds. Tongue weight is 750 pounds. So it's important that you get the right drop for the different trailers you have. And as it says here, you can turn it the other way around and have a 2-inch rise. So in other words, we reverse this ball around this way and we put it in this way. And then we have a rise of 2 inches, a 1-inch one. So you need to have a good big spanner to tighten this. People say the torque that you put it on with, you tighten this as tight as you can. There is a big spring washer on it there, and it needs to be held on this side when you are doing that. It's 3/4 of an inch thickness. The plating here that's bent here, this part, is 3/4 of an inch. And the thickness of the walling of this is 3/16. So what we'll do is we will weigh it for you. I have a scales that I usually use over here, and of course this is too heavy and it wouldn't weigh it. So I'm going to put my human scales on it, and I am going to put it up on top of the human scales, and we will see what it weighs. I have this in kilograms. So it is 4 kilos. So instead of changing the body scales, it's multiplied by 2.2. So it's 8.8 pounds in weight, which is very, very substantial. So the 4-inch drop is from there to there, not to here, which makes a slight little bit of a difference. The pin is 5/8, which is pretty standard for most of them. And we just push the pin through here. I'm showing you this up close. You saw it down below already. Now some of them, the pin goes around the outside here in a different one, but this pin goes in here like that. And that's where that pin goes in. The pin will not move. Some people put tape around them to stop them rattling. Yeah, maybe it's a good idea to put some, maybe a little bit of tape around them to stop them rattling. So that's my review of the Curt 4-inch drop, 2-inch ball, tow hitch, 7,500 pound towing capacity and 750 pound tongue weight. The tongue weight goes down onto this, so that's the most that can go down onto that. Prefer to have 2 of them, a 2-inch and a 4-inch. For this particular car, which is a 19.5 inch from here to the ground, I prefer to have 2 of them than the big chunky ones that are adjustable every 1.5 inches or every 2 inches. I'll put a link in the description where I bought this. I bought it on Amazon, and thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video or any of our other videos, please subscribe.